going on, guys? It's Travis here. Today I'm going to be doing a £500 build guide for a gaming computer. So yeah, hope you guys enjoying this. Get straight into it. Let's hurry this video along. Alright, so first of all we're going to go with the processor. And it's going to be an AMD Athlon 4K 760K Black Edition. It's a quad-core processor and it's at 3.8 GHz, so yeah. And also, I think the turbo clock can go up to 4 GHz, so yeah, it's pretty quick. Only problem is it tends to take up 100 watts, so you need a big power supply. Alright, so also we need a motherboard for this, so what I've went for is the Gigabyte GA. Oh god, the Gigabyte GA motherboard. It's a socket FM2, which is what our processor is, and also has two USB 3.0 ports, 5 USB 2.0 ports, DVI, VGA. I also think this has got HDMI on board. Yeah, it does. It has HD audio and HDMI on board, and a mouse and keyboard combo port. And for the hard drive, we're going to go for a terabyte Western Digital SATA drive. If you load up. And yeah, there's nothing amazing here. It's not super fast. It's not 70. I don't think it's 7200 RPM. It's quick. It's quite quick and it does the job. So yeah. Alright. So we're also going to need a cooling compound, because I never go with builds. I never go with the stock thermal paste. So we're going to go for some Arctic Silver thermal paste. And for the RAM, you don't really need to get like the best RAM available. This RAM's just fine. It's a 4 GB stick, and for this system I want 8 gigs. So I've ordered 2 of these for 8 gigs on my system. And the most important part of the build, which is our graphics card, and that is it. An MSI Nvidia GTX 760, 2 GB of DDR5 memory, and this thing is, you can't get any better for the money. £179. You cannot get any better for this. And I think the I/O is DisplayPort, HDMI, and 2 DVI ports. And I think, oh yeah, the case. And with the case, we're just gonna go. This is where you can choose whatever you want, as long as it's an ATX case. So any sort of design will work. Alright. So with this case, it's plain old simple. It's by a brand that we all know, and it's just a good case, basically. So it's a ATX motherboard case. I think it's got 4 drive bays. I'm not 100% sure about that, but oh god, at the front, it's got space for 2 extra fans. It's just really clean looking. The only problem is it doesn't have USB 3 in the front panel, but the motherboard covers that in the back, so that doesn't matter too much. I'm also going to need a power supply for this, and I went on Mapland.com and I found a 780 watt power supply. This thing's really good. I know the cheapest power supplies aren't as great, but this has got a 12-year warranty from Mapland, so yeah. And also it's really cheap, £50 for a 780 watt power supply. That's crazy. That's crazy money. Alright, so yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you want me to do any more builds, like maybe a £1,000 build, £800 build, or even a budget £300 build, just tell me in the comments, and also make sure to share this with anyone who wants to do a build, because I think this has got to be the closest you can get to perfect for a £450, £500 build. And if you have got the extra money, I would go for a the AMD, where is it? AMD FX 6300 Black Edition. It's got 6 cores, so if you want to do stuff like streaming and a lot of video editing, that is got to be the best. It's got to be one of the best, well, the best you can for your money, best you can get for your money. So yeah. And also upgrade the RAM bit, because this RAM isn't the fastest RAM, but it doesn't matter too much. Anyways, like I said, thanks for watching, and make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, tell your dog, your fish and your cat, and yeah, thanks for watching.